Welcome to Investosphere. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful ways to earn passive income online, selling digital products on Etsy. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep or turning your creativity into a full-time income stream, this video will guide you step by step. Whether you're a designer, a writer, a planner, or just someone with a great idea, this strategy can work for you. And the best part? You don't need to worry about inventory, shipping, or even showing your face. Let's uncover how you can build a thriving Etsy digital product business from scratch. Number 1. Understanding Etsy and digital products. Let's begin by understanding what Etsy is. Etsy is a global online marketplace focused on handmade, vintage, and unique factory manufactured items. But in recent years, it has become a goldmine for digital products. Digital products are downloadable files like planners, templates, printables, digital art, ebooks, presets, spreadsheets, and more. Once uploaded, they can be sold an unlimited number of times without restocking, packaging, or shipping. This is the essence of passive income. On Etsy, digital product sellers thrive because there's a massive built-in audience. Buyers often search for creative, customizable solutions. People love instant downloads. Number 2. Choosing a profitable niche. Success on Etsy starts with selecting the right niche. Some of the top-performing digital product categories include wedding templates, invitations, programs, seating charts, planners and journals, daily, fitness, financial, ADHD planners, educational worksheets for kids or homeschoolers, Canva templates, social media posts, resumes, media kits, printable wall art, budget trackers, and financial planners, business tools, price calculators, invoice templates. Choose a niche that intersects 3 things: your interests or skills, high demand, low competition, or underserved angles. Use Etsy search bar suggestions, Google Trends, and keyword tools like eRank or Marmalade to find profitable keywords with low competition. Number 3. Creating your digital product. Now that you've chosen a niche, it's time to create your product. You don't need to be a graphic design expert. Use tools like Canva, great for beginners, Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, advanced design, Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for financial tools, Affinity Designer or Inkscape, one-time purchase alternatives. Make sure your product is visually appealing, easy to use, delivers real value. If it's a template, test it yourself or with a friend before selling. Number 4. Setting up your Etsy shop. To get started, create your Etsy seller account. Choose a shop name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Then customize your store with a professional-looking logo, a clear, friendly banner image, a short, helpful bio about who you are and what you offer, shop policies, refunds, downloads, contact info. Upload your first product with a compelling title, keyword-rich description, attractive images, and accurate tags. Use mock-up tools like Placeit or Canva to showcase your digital product in use. Remember, presentation sells. Number 5. Writing a high-converting product listing. Your product listing should be optimized for both humans and the Etsy algorithm. Include a keyword-optimized title, think like a buyer, a detailed product description, what it is, how it works, what's included, bullet points for clarity, a clear call to action, e.g., click Add to Cart to download instantly, a note about the digital nature of the item, no physical product will be shipped. Use all 13 tags. Focus on buyer intent keywords such as budget planner printable, wedding seating chart template, daily ADHD planner PDF. Number 6. Pricing strategy for profits. Don't underprice your work. Study the competition, then price based on value. Factor in time spent creating the item, quality and complexity, reusability for buyers. Consider offering bundle deals or multiple pricing tiers to increase perceived value. Number 7. Driving traffic to your Etsy shop. While Etsy has built-in traffic, you should still promote your shop externally. Effective strategies include Pinterest marketing, top source for digital product traffic, Instagram Reels or Stories showing product mockups, TikTok tutorials, e.g., how I made $500 on Etsy last week, blogging about your niche and linking your shop, building an email list, offer a freebie in exchange for emails. Also consider Etsy ads to boost visibility for new listings. Number 8. Managing customer service and reviews. Positive reviews build trust and social proof. Provide excellent customer service. Respond quickly to messages. Fix download issues promptly. Be polite and professional in all interactions. Add a personal touch by thanking buyers and asking them to leave a review if they're happy. Number 9. Scaling your Etsy digital product business. Once you have a few products selling, scale your shop by releasing related or complementary items, creating bundles, tracking your best sellers, and making variations, automating your workflow with tools like Everbee, Outfy, or MailChimp. Eventually, you can even outsource design or customer service as your shop grows. Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the most accessible, scalable, and beginner-friendly ways to make passive income online. You don't need a huge following, a fancy website, or a big budget. Just creativity, consistency, and the right strategy. Now, I want to hear from you. Which type of digital product would you like to sell on Etsy? Have you tried Etsy before? Or is this your first attempt? Drop your answers in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Investosphere. Your support helps us bring you more powerful content like this. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and keep growing your income, one digital download at a time.